Okay, so in this video, we're going to dive in and start installing things. So the first thing we need is the Sublime Text Editor. Head over to sublimetext.com or just Google Sublime Text. And you can see the download for Windows button pops right up. If you're on a Mac or Linux, this will work absolutely fine on that as well. You'll see the Mac or Linux download button. Go ahead and download that. Now notice this is Sublime Text 3 build 3207. If this number changes by the time you watch this course, and it very likely will, they're always updating this thing. Just go ahead and download the latest version. Doesn't matter which version you use, they all work great. So go ahead and click this and download it. Now we can save this anywhere. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. And once it downloads here, you can click it to install. And this is a very simple installation. You just click the next button and then install. Now I've already installed it on my computer, so I'm not. You'll go ahead and click this install button and it'll finish installing. I'm just going to cancel out of here. And that's pretty much it. To run this, just head over to your Windows Start menu and type in Sublime. A little icon will pop up. Click it, you're good to go. So the next thing we need is a terminal. And I like the Git Bash terminal. It's completely free. So this is git-scm.com/downloads. Go ahead and click that. And you notice it's version 2.22.0. If that number changes by the time you watch this video, no big deal. Just download the latest one. And you'll notice it's available for Mac or Linux. So you could download this for Mac or Linux if you want, if you just absolutely want to follow along. But the terminal that comes with your Mac or Linux will work just as well, if not better. They're basically the same thing. And it comes installed on your Mac or Linux. So you could just use that. Just head up to your little search thing on your Mac and type in terminal. It'll pop right up. So for us Windows users, go ahead and click this to download. And this is a notoriously slow website. Save it anywhere. I'm going to save it to my desktop. And it's only 45 megabytes, but it takes like 30 seconds to download. And I have super high speed internet. I don't know why it takes this long. So it's always been like this on this website. So it's kind of weird. So it's pretty quick. Quick enough at least. All right, so it's finished downloading and we can go ahead and run this. Now this is a kind of weird installation. There's a whole lot of screens that we have to click through, but we just want the defaults for all of the screens. So accept the license, click next. Now here it's asking what text editor we're going to be using. Now we happen to be using the Sublime Text Editor. If you use a different text editor, and you can use any text editor you like. If you already have a favorite, feel free to use that. But you don't have to come in here and find it in this list. Just leave it as Sublime here, even if you're not using Sublime, because these two tools don't interact. So I'm not sure why they want to know that. So we can just ignore that and click next. And we want next, 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 next. Lots of screens. We just want the defaults for everything. And then you come to this finally and you click this install to continue installing. I've already installed it on my computer, so I'm not going to do that. But you'll go ahead and do that. I'm just going to cancel out of this and we're good to go. So again, to use this, just head over to your Windows Start menu, type in Git Bash. It'll pop right up and just click it and you're good to go. When you do, this will pop up and we'll get into what this is and how to use this in the next few videos. Yours will look a little different. Mine says Flat Planet because that's the name of my computer, my logged in account name. No, I don't think the world is flat. I just find it hilarious that some people do, and I have a weird sense of humor, so that's what I named my computer. Whatever your computer is called or whatever your logged in username is, you'll see that listed here. If we type pwd, you can see we're in the C users Flat Planet directory. Again, yours won't say Flat Planet. It'll say whatever the name of your username is on your computer, and we're good to go. So those are the two main tools we need, and that's really all we need. We need Python and we need Django, but we'll install those in the next video.